my silhouette upon the pavement, dark and wet. I find my childhood in the doors of this old neighborhood. Yes, always in the rain. It's a melancholy feeling, shakes my senses, it makes me reeling. Then I find I just surrender to the moment, it's so tender. My dream to lie again with you, beneath the boundless sky.